Thinking about buying from Axuro Store, the site has some cool looking products and tempting discounts. But is it actually a legit place to shop or just another sketchy online store? Let's find out. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Exterior Online Store claims to offer a wide range of items, tech, accessories, lifestyle stuff, at affordable prices. The site looks polished, but when you check Trustpilot, things get shaky. There are quite a few one-star reviews with complaints about late or missing orders, poor product quality, and zero response from customer support. Some people even said they never got tracking info or any confirmation after paying. No clear refund policy, no legit business background, it all raises red flags. Plus, the site feels like a pop-up shop that might vanish overnight. Is Axuro Store legit? Honestly, it doesn't look good. With that many complaints and no transparency, it's probably not worth the risk. If you value your money and your peace of mind, it's better to shop somewhere more trusted. Ever bought from Axuro Store? Was it smooth or a total mess? Drop your story in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real talk reviews on online stores and viral products.